The fantastic music world.
Tempo and dynamics. Hi, I am Trixie. Welcome to the music world. In our video on the elements of music, we talk about tempo and dynamics being two of the building blocks of music. Be sure to watch that video to first understand the foundational concepts. In our videos about keys and scales, we see how music in a major or minor key can affect our mood. A happy music can make us clap and dance to it, while a sad music can move us to tears. Listening to a soothing and graceful music can calm our minds and spirit. But you can feel the anger or distress rising in you as you listen to stormy and agitated music. Music can make you feel grand and confident, or confused and fearful. In this video, we will be exploring how tempo and dynamics can also affect the mood of music. The tempo or speed of a music is indicated by a metronome marking in beats per minute, BPM, or a tempo marking using a descriptive word that is often in Italian. This is a metronome with precise BPM and Italian words indicative of the general speed and mood of the music. Let's take a closer look at the metronome. In the middle column are the Italian terms, slow to fast from top to bottom. Both sides are the BPM approximately corresponding to the tempo terms. The bigger the number, the faster the music generally. Here are some common tempo markings on a metronome. Broadly speaking, the tempo of a music is either slow, moderate, or fast. Sometimes, the tempo changes gradually. Watch how I skate faster and faster. We use the Italian word accelerando, abbreviated as ACCEL, to describe how the tempo of the music gradually gets faster and faster. Similarly, the tempo can gradually slow down, like how I would slow down before stopping. Common Italian words to describe the gradual slowing down of tempo are ritardando and rallentando, abbreviated as RIT and RALL. Dynamics refers to the volume of a music, loud or soft, or in between. In this video, we will learn some common Italian words used to describe dynamics. When a lion roars, it's loud. Forte, or F, is used to instruct musicians to play loudly. Piano, or P, is used to instruct musicians to play softly. When an airplane flies overhead towards me, the sound gets louder and louder. This is crescendo, abbreviated as CRESC. And as it flies away from me, the sound gradually gets softer and softer. Decrescendo, DECRESC, or diminuendo, DIM, is used to describe the gradual change from loud to soft. Let's look at some examples of tempo and dynamics indicators on music scores. Take a look at Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. Note the tempo and dynamics markings and hear how this music sounds like when it is played. This music is set at a fast tempo, allegro. It begins loudly, then softly suddenly. The music gradually gets louder, then ends loudly. Let's listen to how vivid imagery of moods and even animals are created with creative use of various elements of music such as tempo and dynamics. The first piece, Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata, is set to adagio, slow, tempo. The music is generally quiet throughout. It certainly transports me to a serene night scene bathed in pale blue moonlight. It's dreamy and misty, tinted with slight sadness. Tchaikovsky's Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy is set to andante, moderate, tempo. The overall quiet, light, and high-pitched sounds conjures up a delicate, whimsical, magical, and mystical fantasy and fairy tale dreamland. Let's listen to a music that tells a story filled with suspense and cheekiness in the Hall of the Mountain King. It starts out fast, tempo marking of 138, and soft and sneaky, then it accelerates, accelerando, and crescendo into a wild, unstoppable madness frenzy. Next, you will hear creative and playful pieces that conjure up imageries of animals. How did the composers do that? Do leave me your thoughts in the comments below. Did you feel the same emotions and see the same imageries as I do? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I hope this video has helped you understand tempo and dynamics better. Come join me again for the next learning journey as we continue to explore the music world.
The fantastic music world.